Question 53. What are the power buggies requirements? If you go to 3315.3, special requirements where power buggies are used, runways, ramps, platforms, and other surfaces upon which power buggies are operated shall meet the following minimum requirements. Number 1, they shall be designed by a qualified person. Number 2, they shall be able to sustain without failure at least 4 times the maximum live load for which they are intended. Number 3, the minimum width inside of curbs for any ramp, runway, or platform shall be 2 feet wider than the outside width of any power buggy operated therein without passing, and 3 feet wider than twice such buggy width in the places where passing occurs. Number 4, all runways shall be essentially level transversely. Number 5, curbs shall be furnished along all buggy traffic paths that are nearer than 10 feet horizontally to any unenclosed area, shaft, or other open space into which or through which a fall of more than 12 inches from such surface is possible, except as set forth in numbered item 7. 6. Where curbs are not required because the buggy is operated on a surface not over 12 inches above another surface, the lower surface shall be strong enough to sustain the loaded vehicle in the event of a fall thereon. Number 7. Curbs may be omitted at actual dumping points more than 12 inches above other surfaces if the edge over which dumping occurs is provided with bumpers or other means that will effectively stop the buggy from running over the edge while dumping. Number 8. Curbs must be at least 7 inches high, securely fastened, and capable of resisting side impact, and shall be equivalent to at least 2-inch by 8-inch plank set on edge against uprights, securely fastened and braced not more than 4-foot intervals. Now, if we move to and look at 3320.7.2.1 brakes, every power buggy shall be provided with brakes and tire surfaces capable of bringing it to a full stop within 25 feet on a surface level that is similar to the one on which it will be used and at a full rated load and maximum design speed. Brakes shall be capable of being fixed in engagement to hold the full load stationary on a 25% grade. Accidental starting 3320.7.2.2. All movement controls of every power buggy shall be arranged or shielded that they cannot be inadvertently engaged or the buggy accidentally set in motion. 3327.7.2.3 Parking on grades. No power buggy shall be left unattended on any grade sufficiently steep to cause it to coast if free of engine and brake resistant. Skip up to question 54. Wire rope requirements follow guidelines as per whom? Look at 3316.6. Rope inspection and replacement. All ropes used in hoisting equipment shall meet the inspection and replacement requirements specified in rules promulgated by the commissioner. So therefore, it's the commissioner is the answer. Question 55. Where should the operator be posting permits in hoisting equipment? Now, if you scroll down to 3316.4.2, posting of permits, permits or duplicates of the permits shall be posted in a conspicuous location in the car or on the equipment. Question 56. What is needed when operating equipment? Notwithstanding any other provision or law, material hoists with a manufacturer's capacity of over 1 ton shall be operated only by persons holding a Class A or Class B hoisting machine operator's license, except during installation, jumping, dismantling, or alteration operations. Question 57. What type of license is needed for the transportation of gases for welding operations? Where fuel, this is under New York City 2014 Mechanical Code, 1301.10 Certificate of Fitness. where fuel oil piping systems utilize pumps to transfer fuel oil to equipment at levels above the lowest floor or to storage tanks at level above the lowest floor in buildings, a qualified employee or contracted general company holding a certificate of fitness from the fire department shall maintain the fuel oil system. Question 58. Minimum pressure for putting out a fire during demolition. According to New York City Fire Code 1406.2.1.6, hose and connectors capable of withstanding pressure to up to at least 1,000 psig and of design suitable for oxygen service at a pressure of 250 psig shall be used to connect the outlets on the service piping to the blowpipes. Hose shall be rejected for use if it shows excessive wear, loose connections, leaks, or burns. Hose subjected to a flashback in use shall be tested to twice the service pressure, but not less than 200 psig before being returned to service. Question 59. Fire hoses and nozzles shall be capable of a continuous flow of blank gallons per minute. Going to New York City 2014 Fire Code, Section 1407.1, storage and handling, not really. We're moving on to 1407.3, demolition using explosives. Such fire hoses and nozzles shall be capable of a continuous flow of 180 gallons per minute with a minimum reach of 35 feet. And my last question for now is question 60. Hoses shall be pressure tested to withstand at least blank pounds per square inch. Going into the same section, 1407.3, demolition using explosive. Hose shall be pressure tested to withstand at least 600 pounds per square inch gauge psig. That is it for now, and when I have new questions, I will create more videos. Thanks.